Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Teams live events settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your account credentials. In the Microsoft Teams app, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the calendar icon. Select the Meetings tab at the top of the calendar view. Click on the New Meeting button in the upper right corner of the screen. In the New Meeting window, fill out the meeting title, date, and time for your live event. Scroll down to the Meeting Type drop-down menu and select Live Event. Next, choose the event type from the options provided, Public. Now, locate the Invite section to add presenters and other attendees. Ensure that you have assigned at least one producer and one presenter who will speak during the live event. Once you've added participants, click on the Scheduling tab. Configure the settings for your live event under Live Event Settings. Decide whether you'd like to allow attendees to join the event with video and enable or disable the Q&A feature based on your event needs. If you want to stream the event to social media, toggle on the Stream to Social Media setting. Check the Recording section to decide if you'd like the event to be recorded for future playback. Finalize your live event settings and ensure everything is accurate. Click on Schedule to create the live event. After scheduling, a confirmation window will appear with the event details. Share the join link with your attendees ahead of the event date. On the day of the event, return to the Calendar section in Microsoft Teams and locate your scheduled live event. Click on the event and then select Join to start your live event. Ensure all presenters are prepared and familiar with the platform before going live. Monitor the event controls and manage audience engagement as needed throughout the presentation. After the live event concludes, follow prompts to end the session and any necessary recordings will be processed automatically. Review the analytics and feedback after the event to gauge participation and overall performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.